Good morning. Today we will take lesson 9.8, tell time to the hour and half hour. Okay, now we have this clock, and the clock has two hands. The short one is the hour hand, the long one is the minute hand. The short one, the hour hand, points to the hours, and the long one, the minute hand, points to the minutes. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, these are the hours. Between each two numbers there are small lines, they are the minutes. Okay, between number and the next number 5 lines, so 5 minutes. So we will start from 12, which is 0, 0. From 12 to 1 there are small lines, 5 small lines, so 5 minutes. From 1 to 2 there are another 5 small lines, so another 5 minutes. From 2 to 3 also 5 minutes. So we will go on skip counting by 5. So from here we will start 0, then 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and we end again at number 12, 60. Okay, this is the way that we write the clock, the digital way. So when the shorthand point to number 10, exactly it will be 10 o'clock. In this case, the long hand, the minute hand, will point to 12. That is 0, 0. So 10 o'clock, 10 hours, 0, 0 minutes. Let's go to the other one. Here, the shorthand point between 10 and 11, and it will be 10:30, because the hour hand is between two numbers and it passes number 10, so it is 10:30. Okay, what about the long hand, the minute hand? In this case will point at 6. Okay, let us have a look. At 6 it is 30 minutes. At 6 it's 30 minutes. So how we will write this? We will write 10 in the hour and 30 in the minutes. So it is 10:30. It is 10:30. Okay, so our full clock is 60 minutes. So an hour has 60 minutes. 1 hour has 60 minutes. Okay, half hour has 30 minutes. So the half hour has 30 minutes. This is the important thing for this lesson for today. Let's go and solve the homework together. Okay. Tell time to the hour and half hour. Write the time. So here the hour hand points at number 8 exactly. In this case, let us have a look at the minute hand. It points to number 12. So what's the time here? Yes, it is 8 o'clock. Question number 2. The shorthand points between two numbers 1 and 2, and it passes number 1 and it didn't pass number 2, so it is, yes, it's 1:30. Okay, let's have a look at the minute hand. It points at number 6. So what's the time? It is 1:30. 1 in the hour and 30 in the minutes. Then number 3, the hour hand points at number 5. exactly? Yes, so it's 5 o'clock. The minute hand points at number 12. Yes, which is 0, 0. So we will write it is 5 in the hours, and 0, 0 in the minute. Number 4. Yes, the hour hand is between two numbers and the minute hand point at 6. So it is 9:30. Let's go to number 5. The hour hand points at 11. The minute hand points at 12. So the answer will be 11 o'clock. Number 6. It will be, yes, the hour hand is pointing between number 10 and 11. The minute hand points at number 6. So it will be 10:30. Okay, number 7. Lulu walks her dog at 7 o'clock. Bell walks his dog 30 minutes later. Draw to show what time Bell walks his dog. So Bell walks his dog at 7:30. How we will draw 7:30? Okay, let's start with the short hand. The hour hand points between, yes, it points between 7 and 8. It's not at 7 exact, it will point between 7 and 8. And the minute hand will point at 6, which is 30 minutes. Let us do it in a right way. Okay. It will point at 6. So this is the way that we will draw 7:30. Okay, what time is it? Write the time. The short hand between 7 and 8, the hour hand between 7 and 8, and the long hand, the minute hand, points at 6. So it is, yes, it's 7:30. The next question. What time is it? The hour hand points at 2. The minute hand points at 12. So it is 2 o'clock. 0, 0. 0 minutes. Okay, this is our revision. What is the sum? Write the sum. So again, we start with the, yes, with the ones. So 8 in the ones, 0 in the ones. So 8 plus 0 equals 8. Then we continue tens, 4 tens, 2 tens. So 4 plus 2, yes, it's 6. So the answer will be 6 in the tens, 8 in the ones, so it will be 68. Okay. Okay. How many tens and ones are in the sum? Write the numbers, write the sum. In this case, we will draw the ones and we will draw the tens. So 67. Let's draw 67. How many lines in 67? It is 6 lines, yes. So 1 line, 2 line, 3 lines, 4 lines. Okay. Then how many ones? 7 ones. So let's draw the ones. Circles. 1. This is 2. I will just make it small. Then 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. This is 67. Okay, let us draw 25. How many tens? 2 tens, so 2 lines, 1 and 2. Okay, what about the ones? 5 circles. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, then let's count the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, how we will add this? So don't forget, we did it before. We count 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we circle it. Okay, let us put it in a big circle. So okay, let's count the tens now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And this one will be the 9. This one will be the 9. This we'll put like this one line. So this will be the 9. So again, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So how many tens now? 9 tens. How many ones? Out of this big circle, 2. So the answer will be, yes, 2 ones. 2 ones. And 9 tens. So 9 in the tens. Put it here. 2 ones. And 9 in the tens. Okay, this is the way that we solve this kind of questions. Okay, thank you.